In today's video, we're going to walk through Melio and how it helps businesses pay contracts and vendors online using ACH transfers, credit cards, and scheduled payments. What's up, you guys? My name is Ashley, and if you've ever dealt with late payments, manual bank transfers, writing checks, or just juggling due dates across different vendors, this video is going to help you simplify that whole process. Paying people is one of those tasks that sounds simple until you're actually running a business. You have contractors on different schedules, vendors with different payment methods, invoices coming in through email, and due dates you don't want to miss. On top of that, you want payments to be tracked, organized, and predictable for your cash flow. Melio is built to solve that problem, so let's get into it. We're going to start off with the basics and talk about what Melio is. So it's an online payment platform designed for small businesses and teams that need a simple way to pay vendors and contractors. It allows you to send payments by bank transfer or credit card, schedule payments in advance, and keep everything organized in one place. Instead of logging into your bank, writing checks, or manually tracking who has been paid, Melio acts as a central hub for outgoing payments. You upload or enter bills, choose how and when to pay, and Melio handles the delivery. One of the key things that makes Melio stand out is flexibility. You can pay vendors even if they don't accept certain payment methods themselves. For example, you can pay with a credit card while your vendor receives a bank transfer or check. Melio is commonly used for freelancers, agencies, e-commerce businesses, and small teams that work with multiple contractors or suppliers that want more control and visibility over payments. One of Melio's main features is multiple payment methods. You can pay vendors using ACH bank transfers or credit cards depending on what works best for your business. This flexibility helps manage cash flow while still paying vendors on time. Another important feature is payment scheduling. Instead of paying bills one by one at the last minute, you can schedule payments ahead of time. Melio automatically sends them on the date you choose, which helps avoid late fees and missed deadlines. Melio also supports invoice and bill management. You can upload bills, add due dates, and keep track of what's pending, scheduled, or completed. And finally, Melio integrates with accounting software, which helps keep record in sync and reduces manual bookkeeping. Now, if you want to get started for free, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below. Okay, so once you click that link, you'll go ahead and click start now, and you can even get $50 cash back right now. Okay, once you enter in all of your account information, this is what it looks like. So what you'll want to do first is go ahead and activate payments. Then you'll want to pay your first bill, activate receivables, and then add your first vendor. So what you can do first is go ahead and add a vendor if you would like, or you can just add a new payment. So you'll go ahead and type in the business name, the bill amount, the invoice, the payment frequency, the invoice date, and then the due date. You can add a note to self, you can add description and amount as well, and you can also add multiple lines here. Then you'll go and continue to pay and enter in your bank information. If you want to see all of your bills, everything will be right here. And if you want to look at any approvals, you can also see that right here as well. So to go ahead and add an approval workflow, you would just go to the settings. Then you can do payment amount is more or equal to, maybe $50, maybe $100. Then you'll require an approver. So maybe it's you for now. You can go ahead and save that workflow. So anything that's more than or equal to $100 will have to be approved. Okay, then we've got the get paid section. So if you want to create invoices, you just come in here. You can enter in the customer name. It will automatically populate the invoice number. You can go ahead and say the invoice frequency, the actual due date, and then you can add a note on the invoice, and then you can also attach files if you need to. Then this is where you'll go ahead and add the products or services and the amount. You can also add a discount, or you can add a service charge. This is where it's really cool. So you can go ahead and do payment options. You can do ACH bank transfer or credit cards. Your customers pays 2.9% fee, and you can also have it send automated payment reminders. Okay, all you do is create and share, and you are good to go. Then all of your customers will be in here too. You can even import a customer list from a CSV file if you would like. And then this is where you'll be able to see all of your payment invoices. So you'll be able to see who's paid, who's outstanding, what's overdue, and everything like that, and everything in between. Now that you understand how to use Melio, let's talk about some of the pros and cons so you can decide if it's a good fit for your business. So one of the biggest advantages of Melio is simplicity. It centralizes payments, supports multiple payment methods, and removes a lot of the manual work from paying vendors. Another benefit is flexibility. Being able to pay by card or bank transfer, schedule payments, and invite team members make it adaptable to different business needs. Now on the downside, Melio focuses primarily on outgoing payments. Businesses looking for advanced invoicing or expense tracking may still need additional tools. Also, credit card payments may involve fees, which businesses should factor into their decision. So, okay, now let's go ahead and talk about the different plans and pricing options. So you can pay monthly or annually. I'm going to go ahead and go over the annuals so you know how to get the best price possible. So they do have a free plan, $0 forever. It is limited to one user, but you get 5 free ACH a month, pay by ACH wire or check, fast instant payment. You can set up auto pay any bill by card, AI bill capture, pay internationally, and then 10 free QuickBook and 0 syncs. Then we've got the core plan, which is $20 a month paid annually plus $8 a month per additional user. With this, you get everything in the Go plan, but you do get 20 free ACH a month. Then you also get QuickBooks Online Sync, 0 sync, batch payments, approval workflows, W-9 collection, 1099 automation, AI assistant, dedicated bills inbox, and priority chat support. Then they have the Boost plan, which is $44 per month paid annually. With this, you get 50 free ACH a month. You get everything in the core plan, but you also get advanced user roles, vendor credits, custom approval workflows, classes and locations, QuickBooks Desktop Sync, and premium phone support. And lastly is the unlimited plan. So this is $64 per month, and this is paid annually, but you get unlimited users. With this, you get unlimited free ACH a month, everything in the Boost plan, of course, but you also get dedicated account manager and white glove onboarding. They also have a platinum plan, but you do have to contact them directly. So choose the plan that best fits your needs. You could always get started with the free plan. Melio is a great fit for businesses that want a cleaner, more organized way to pay vendors and contractors. It's especially useful if you work with multiple vendors, need scheduling, or want flexibility in how you pay. If your business rarely pays contractors or prefers to handle everything directly through a bank, Melio may feel a bit unnecessary, but for growing teams, the organization and control can be a massive upgrade. Before we wrap up, I just wanted to touch on a couple of bonus tips to using Melio. So one helpful habit is to treat Melio as your single source of truth for outgoing payments. Instead of tracking bills and email threads or spreadsheets and then paying them everywhere else, get everything into Melio as soon as it comes in. When all bills live in one dashboard, it's so much easier to see what's coming up and avoid surprises. Another useful tip is to be intentional about what you use credit cards for versus ACH. Credit cards can be great for smoothing cash flow, but they shouldn't be automatic. Use them strategically for larger invoices or during months when expenses are higher, and stick to ACH for routine payments when cash flow is stable. That balance helps you stay flexible without letting fees add up unnecessarily. And finally, if you collaborate with an accountant or bookkeeper, invite them into Melio early. Shared visibility reduces confusion, speeds up reconciliation, and keeps everyone aligned. Payment tools work best when they're part of a system, not a standalone task. I know managing payments isn't the most exciting part of running a business, but it is one of the most important. And tools like Melio help reduce stress, improve organization, and make paying people feel predictable instead of chaotic. If you want to check out Melio and get signed up for free, don't forget to use our link down in the description below. Right now, you also can get a $50 cashback deal, but that won't last forever. So just make sure you're capitalizing on it if you are interested. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. This channel is dedicated to breaking down software tools in a simple, honest way so you can grow your business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.